actually is a storm. Okay.
Oh! I'm done with junior year. I'm gonna be a senior.
We're not gonna graduate. I know, this is so sad. You guys, today is graduation day. I feel like I'm going to cry way too much today. With first days of summers also comes graduation for seniors this year. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, y'all would know that my friend group has a majority of guys compared to the girls. The girls are all juniors and the guys are all seniors. So right now it's 2:30 and I'm driving to the nail salon because my nails look really bad. They're like way too outgrown, and I think I'm just gonna do maybe like a nude color because I have something really exciting that I'm gonna be doing in LA next week, I'm pretty sure, and I don't want to have my nails looking like this. I'm just gonna do it today because the rest of this week is going to be crazy. I've got graduation parties, and tonight is actually Layton's graduation party. I'm so excited because it's gonna be so much fun. I'm not spending the night tonight. Usually Viet and I spend the night at his house, but my parents said that they'll just pick me up at like 4 in the morning or 5 in the morning. Okay, I am here at my old school. I don't even know if you can see that, but I'm meeting Thea here and we're gonna walk in together with our tickets. This is what the ticket looks like. And I am not ready. I don't think I'm ready for this. It's also supposed to rain, so I have this umbrella with me in case it rains. Yeah, let's head up there. So we're at graduation. At graduation again. If you guys remember when Catherine graduated, I vlogged that. You guys should go watch that. Look at Coleman, he's on the screen.
Yeah, Coleman.
It's raining.
It is raining.
And it's hot.
But it's sunny. I don't understand.
Evacuating.
Guys,
there's no lightning. I don't see any.
We have to go in our cars.
He really said, "Everyone stop!" That's what he said.
No.
So what do all they do?
Literally everybody's leaving.
Guys, there's a 30-minute delay because apparently there's lightning. Yeah, there's a 30-minute delay,
So
and we only got to see 2 of our friends walk the stage, and we have like 10 people in total.
So now all of them have to go inside and everybody had to get off the stand.
So there actually is a storm. Okay.
Oh!
Please don't fall. So this is what our outfits look like. Oh! Okay, we're going to the carcasses. Oh, that feels hot.
The shoes are coming off.
Okay, so there's a storm brewing and they wouldn't let us into the field house because that's closest and they wouldn't let us in.
Okay, let's go.
So now we're going.
Look at this.
My mom just said, ugh, it's scary out there.
We made it to the car. Oh my god, my feet hurt.
Wait, what if we get electrocuted in our cars?
My feet hurt like an MF.
Oh my gosh.
It's literally raining now.
Yeah. We're not gonna graduate. I know, this is so sad.
They just canceled it. 7:15 tomorrow night is when they're redoing it.
Yeah.
Today is Saturday. Okay, Sophia is she spent the night last night, so she's like doing something. Ooh, my room looks good right here. We'll tell the story in the car.
Today's Saturday.
This is Saturday at 10:15 in the morning.
Yeah. We're on our way to get chicken minis from Chick-fil-A. Love Chick-fil-A.
I went to sleep at 4:30.
I went to sleep at 3:50. So last night was Layton's graduation party. I think I already said that in the vlog that we were gonna go to that. And curfew for us was whenever. Literally whenever I texted my dad. It just happened to be around like 4 in the morning. So sorry, Dad, for making you get up because that literally must have sucked. Today is their actual graduation.
Yeah, so it's like yesterday basically it just got rained out. They didn't even make it through a quarter of the B last names, and they made everyone evacuate, and then after about 20 minutes they just called the whole thing off. So then everybody has to go back tonight.
We were supposed to go to two grad parties today, but one of them has to be canceled because now graduation moved to that time.
Okay, it says today the high is 81 and the low is 63, and there is no rain on the forecast.
Also it's 10:28 right now. Chick-fil-A breakfast ends at 10:30, and this car in front of us is really taking their sweet time.
I don't know when the last time was I woke up at 10.
I don't know when the last time I woke up at 6.
She went to bed at 3:50 and woke up at 6.
Dude, I literally slept in wet hair.
Ew. Like at my house.
Oh my god.
It was all crusty the
That
next
was
morning.
so
At least it's all, come on!
Oh
There's 1 minute! Yes! Go, Audi A5!
Yeah. Hi.
Chick-fil-A, can I get a name for the order?
Caroline, can we do 2 separate orders?
2 separate orders?
Yes, please. The 4-count chicken mini meal, a sweet tea.
Can I just get a 10-count chicken mini, please?
10-count mini? Is that the meal or just the minis?
Just the minis.
Alright, anything else?
That's it. We made it just in
Cool, that'll be
time.
9.84.
He's already flipping the things over.
Dude, we got good luck.
It's a lunch.
Thank you so much.
We literally ordered it within the last minute of breakfast.
They literally just flipped the sign. Look at that dog, he's so cute. Look, guys, look. They're so sweet. I love that guy. If you are watching my channel and you are the guy that has that accent, I didn't even see his name, but I talked to him like a month ago, and I had like a conversation with him, and I was like, I just love your voice. Like, where are you from? And he's like, Cambridge. And I was like, oh my god. So, nah, he's cool. Okay, we're also getting Dunkin'.
Yeah.
Coffee.
The line is probably so long.
Yeah, I really want a chai with 2 clumps of mocha.
Okay, we finished our Chick-fil-A, and I just got a chai from Dunkin'.
Yeah, let's hope they don't mess it up, because they do be messing it up all the time.
Yeah. So don't look at that or that, but they did it right.
Good. Howdy, howdy. This time we have Maddie in the car. Hey. I'm literally in the same outfit as yesterday, but we're going to go grab something to eat really quick, and then we have to go to the school to get her ticket.
Yeah. Let's hope I get it because I'm here.
Yeah. But I feel like they're not even gonna ticket people because they got literally canceled, you know? I feel like they'll just let anybody in. The rest of the group is graduating. Only 2 people graduated yesterday from our friend group. Yeah, I think we're gonna get Schlotzky's for dinner though, so.
It's like something not important, but like, I don't know.
Oh my god, what's this?
Let me see. What did you get?
The Turkey Bacon Club.
Like a sandwich? Go tell them.
I further concur that these graduates be
Down to radio event. We gotta start calling names.
Board of Trustees is the connection between the community and the school system, setting policy.
Alexander Hasson Schlatt, summa cum laude. Coleman Vincent Chapman, cum laude. Kevin Joseph Devane. Tristan Hormel Engel, cum laude. Brian Patrick Peter, cum laude. Luke Henry Shelton. Clayton Hunter Summerfeld. William Ryan Sutter.
Yeah, Ryan!
I think you should start to know that, because as soon as you do, you can start to accept that you're the people.
Howdy, howdy, everyone. Today's the first day of summer. I can't even believe it. I'm done with junior year. I'm gonna be a senior, and it's just crazy. So happy summer. Hopefully you guys are in summer by the time that this video is up. Today I thought I would just make a fun little video of what I'm doing on my first day of summer, because I have some very fun plans today. First, I'm going to apply some sunscreen on my face because I'm gonna be swimming a lot today and like out in the sun, and sunscreen is very good for you. So if you think you don't need it, you need it. This is one of my favorite face sunscreens. It's the Sunbum SPF 30 Premium Moisturizing Sunscreen Lotion. This is what it looks like. It's like a travel size one, I'm pretty sure, but it's like perfect
so you can just reapply it anywhere you go. I'm going to be hanging out with Sophia. Right now it's 11:16 and at noon she's coming over, and then we're gonna drive downtown to go to the JW Marriott, and then we're gonna tan, swim, and just kind of hang out there for a little bit. Sunscreen is on. Let's get the day started.
My stomach hurts, man. Filling me up with all this negative energy and shit. Like, I don't even know. What's the point? Like, I don't even. You just make me feel like shit sometimes.
Hey guys, we're getting in. We're doing it. So this is, here's Fia. Hey. And we're at the JW Marriott.
Yeah, running, got me gunning. Old school cat, got me stunning. Funny how the rest gon' come in. Funny how you back for the loving I've been. I got one too many tricks up my sleeve. Must need overdose of empathy. My pops to me, more screenshots of me. The street.
So we've almost been here for 2 hours.
Yeah. It's free, go ahead and take from me. Feeling right, out of line.
Hey guys. Okay, so it's 1:50, almost 2 o'clock, and Fia and I have been laying in the sun. It is so hot outside, but we're gonna walk down, since we're already downtown, to PF Chang's, get some lunch, and yeah. We really just did that. Okay, that was a great way to spend.
We definitely got tan.
Yeah. If you guys haven't been to Austin, this is like the iconic rainbow wall. Definitely recommend going.
This is a good meal.
So I got the kids honey chicken.
I got the crispy honey chicken with fried rice.
Yummy.